हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखेंगे रैशनल और इरेशनल नंबर में कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करता है। सबसे फर्स्ट बात करें रैशनल नंबर, द नंबर विच कैन बी रिप्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पी अपॉन क्यू, जो हम पिछले वीडियो में देख चुके हैं। इफ नंबर कैन बी रिप्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पी अपॉन क्यू, दैट विल बी रैशनल, बट here one thing is remember that p and q must be integer number. If p and q are not integer, then p upon q is not rational. Here we see some examples and identify that the number is rational or irrational. First, root 23. Root 23. We cannot find root 23 in perfect way. So this is the irrational number. इसके आगे मैं रैशनल नंबर को r से डिनोट करूंगा और इरेशनल नंबर को i से डिनोट करूंगा। सबसे पहले अब सेकंड नंबर पे आ जाते हैं। फर्स्ट कंप्लीट है, सेकंड 2 to 5. 23 इज नॉट द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर, बट 2 to 5 इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर। कैसे, हाउ देखते हैं हम, ये देखिए 3 5 2 5 5. So this is perfect square number. 15. Therefore this is rational. We can represent in the form of p upon q. Here also, but this is not integer. Therefore this is irrational number. In the third options, 0.3796. 0.3796. Remove the point. 1 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, 4 digits, so 40. आप इसको नॉर्मल कट आउट करके भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, बट हम यहीं तक देखेंगे। ये नॉर्मल रैशनल नंबर हो गया, इसमें कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। अब मैं पहले एक वीडियो में क्लियर कर चुका हूँ आपको, रिपीटिंग non-terminating repeating decimals numbers are rational number. 7.478 478, it means 7.478 बार। इससे पिछले वीडियो में हम क्लियर कर चुके हैं हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p अपॉन q. ओके, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ नंबर दैट इज नॉट रिपीटिंग, non-terminating, non-repeating is irrational number. This is rational, this is also rational, this number is irrational. Next, यहाँ हम देखते हैं 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Root 23 to root 23 cancel. This is positive, this is negative, so 3 remaining, that is rational. 2 minus root 5, this is irrational, so whole number is irrational. Remember that things, if combinations by plus minus and one number is irrational, then complete number is irrational. Okay, next, 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. Root 7 cancel. 2 upon 7. So this is rational number. अब यहाँ हम देखेंगे simplification of the expressions, the operations between rational and irrational numbers. 5 plus root 7, 2 plus root 5, first question. सबसे पहले आप ये देख लीजिए, some formulas is write down here. This formula is used for simplify these types of expressions. under root a square, and this types. You take a screenshot of this and solve these questions. First, this 5 multiplied by 2. Take this 5 and multiply by 2, plus then 5 multiplied by root 5, plus then under root 7 multiplied by 2, 2 under root 7, plus root 7 multiplied by root 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 root 5, 2 root 7 and root 35. This is the answer of this question. Simplify. Next one is under root 11 minus under root 7, under root 11 plus under root 7. You can solve this question by the same steps and also by this formula. I use this formula, this one under root a plus under root b under root a minus under root b, a minus b, a minus b, it means 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. This formula is made by a plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square, then under root a square is a, under root b square is b. Simple. Then third one is under root 3 plus under root 7 whole square. For this we use this formula, under root a plus under root b whole square, a plus 2 under root ab plus b. This formula is also made by a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, under root a square is a, under root b square is b. 3 plus 2 under root 3 under root 7 plus 7, 3 plus 7 10, 2 under root 21. The last one, 2 plus under root 3 under root 2 here, under root 2 plus under root 3 and under root 5 minus under root 7. This question is solved by this formula right here, under root a plus under root b under root c plus d. Then we will get under root ac plus under root ad plus under root bc plus under root bd. Simple multiplication. Under root 2 multiplied by under root 5, under root 10. This multiplied by this, then plus minus minus, under root 2 multiplied under root 7, under root 14 plus 3 multiply 5 under root 15 plus minus minus. So here is under root 21. This is the answer of this question. So these are the simplification of some expressions. Next हम देख रहे हैं rationalization. Rationalization means remove the square root, under root from the denominator of the numbers. Just like that, first we take 2 upon under root 3. In 2 upon under root 3, for rationalization we multiply numerator and denominator both by root 3. It means we want to remove the root 3, so we multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. We will get 2 root 3, root 3 root 3. Root 3 is root 3 square. It means 2 root 3 upon 3. That is the answer. So this is the rationalization of 2 upon root 3. Similarly, we complete this all our questions. Second, 1 upon 3 plus root 2. This times no single value. So in these questions, the process is, here is positive, then multiply by numerator and denominator both by taking negative values. Only changing is at the place of plus we place minus. Okay, 3 minus root 2, a plus b, a minus b. Formula a square minus b square. 3 root 2, 3 minus root 2 upon 3 square is 9 minus root 2 square is 2. So answer is 3 minus root 2, 9 minus 2, 7. That is your answer. Okay, next one. 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Similar, root 3 minus root 5. So we multiply numerator by root 3 plus root 5 and denominator by also root 3 plus root 5. Always remember that things, if we multiply numerator and denominator by same things, that means does not change in any things. So we only rationalization, this is the part of rationalization. 5 multiplied by root 3, 5 root 5, root 3 minus root 5, root 3 plus root 5. It means a minus b, a plus b again. The formula is a square minus b square root 3 root 5. So the answer is 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 upon 3 minus 5. So the answer is 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 upon minus 2. That is the answer. Next question is fourth one, 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Similarly, 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 7 minus 3 root 2. Okay. 1 multiply 7, 7. 1 multiply 3 root 2, 3 root 2. Okay. A plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. 7 minus 3 root 2. 7 square is 49. 3 square is 9. Root 2 square is 2. 7 minus 3 root 2. 49 minus 18. 49 minus 18, 31. Okay, complete. Then after, next question. Fifth one, 2 under root 7 upon 2 under root 11. Sorry, only under root 11. So it is denominator is under root 11, then we multiply under root 11, under root 11. 2 as it is, because under root values are multiply each other. Under root 11 square. 11. That's it. Complete this one. Next, sixth one. This is the important question. See here. Multiply by, here is positive, so we take negative. 2 under root 2 minus 3 under root 3. Same, 2 under root 2 minus 3 under root 3. Here is important is the multiplication of these numbers. 2 root 3 multiply by 2 root 2. So 2 multiply by 2, 4. Root 3 multiply by root 2, root 6. Again multiply this by this. 2 3s are 6 minus root 3, 3. Then after take this and multiply by this minus 2 as it is. Root 5 root 2, root 10, minus minus plus, then 3, root 5, root 3, root 15. In denominator, a plus b, a minus b, so 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 whole square. Okay, 4 root 6, 6 is 18, 2 root 10, 3 root 15, 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, 3 square is 9, and root 3 square is 3. Next step, no one is same here, so directly write down minus 18 minus 2 under root 10 plus 3 under root 15. Here is 4 to the 8, 9 3 is 27. So 9 is 27, 27 minus 8 minus 19. That is your answer. This one is completed. Next हम rationalization देखेंगे 7 plus 3 root 5 and 7 minus 3 root 5. Here is negative, so we take positive and multiply both numerator and denominator by 7 plus 3 root 5. Here we see that 7 plus 3 root 5, 7 plus 3 root 5 are same. Therefore, 7 plus 3 root 5 whole square upon a minus b, a plus b. Again, a square minus b square, 7, 3 root 5. A plus b whole square, so a square plus 2ab plus b square, 7, 7, 3 root 5, 3 root 5. Here is 7 square is 49 minus 3 square is 9, root 5 square is 5. 7 square is 49 plus 7 is a 14, 14 is a 42 root 5 plus 3 square is 9 and root 5 square is 5. 49 minus 45. 49, 9 5s are 45. 49 plus 45. 94 plus 42 under root 5. And here is 49 minus 45 is 4. Here is 2 common. So 4, 7 plus 21 root 5 upon 4. So the final answer is 47 plus 21 root 5 upon 2. Okay, the next question is find the value of 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 3 and 1 upon root 10. The value of these numbers also find out by the rationalization. First root 2 root 2, in this root 3 root 3, and in this root 10 root 10. So we will get root 2 upon 2, root 3 upon 3 and root 10 upon 10. Put the value of root 2, root 3 and root 10 that is given in the question. 1.4, 14 upon 2, root 3, 1.732 upon 3, root 10, 3.162 upon 10. By dividing this value, first remove the point, 2707, again point, so by 1000 divides point, so the answer is 0.707. In this, if we remove point, 1000, 5 3s are 15, 2 3 23, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, 0.333. Dividing by 1000, then point is shifted, 0.5773333. Continue. So the answer is this. In this directly point shifted because divide by 10, 0.3162. Okay, this is the rationalization. So this video is completed here. Thank you very much.